English practice with Lengo cards. 10 action verbs. Walk.
I walk to work every morning.
Run.
He runs 10 kilometers every day.
Jump.
He jumps on the trampoline for fun.
Swim.
Andy loves to swim in the sea.
Crawl.
The baby crawls across the floor.
Climb.
He climbs the tallest peak in the range.
Ski.
Tom loves to ski in the winter.
Fly.
The bird flies in the sky.
Dance.
He dances at the party.
Sing.
He sings into the microphone with ease.